Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. So this is a successor of the Z Fold 3. This mobile comes with two displays. First of all, when it's in unfolded situation, this mobile comes with a 7.6 inches of dynamic AMOLED 2x foldable display, and it is a 120Hz refresh rate supported HDR10 plus content supported display. This was protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, and when it's in the folded situation like a normal mobile phone, it comes with a 6.2 inches of dynamic AMOLED 2x display, and it is also a 120Hz refresh rate display, and it also supports HDR10 plus content, and it is also protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. And when we talk about the processor, this is also a mobile which comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 plus Gen 1, which is a 4nm based octa-core gaming 5G processor. Now when we talk about the 5G, we need to know about the 5G bands. It comes with just 4 bands of 5G according to the news until now. And when we talk about the camera section, this is the major section we need to look at. This mobile comes with a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with OIS, optical image stabilization, and a 10 megapixels of telescope zoom camera, and it also comes with the OIS, and a 12 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. We can shoot up to 4K 60 and 30 fps otherwise. And when we talk about the front facing selfie camera, when it's in unfolded situation, like it comes with a under display camera of 4 megapixels, and when it's in folded like normal mobile phone situation, it comes with a 10 megapixels of selfie camera. And when we talk about the battery, it comes with a 4400 milliamp hours of battery. It's a low battery for the mobile like that much size, but it supports 25 watts of fast wired charge and 15 watts of wireless charge and 4.5 watts of reverse wireless charge. When we talk about the variants, this mobile will be available in 3 variants. Those are 12GB RAM, 512GB, and 12GB RAM, 256GB, and also the 12GB RAM 1TB internal storage variants. Those are UFS 3.1 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5 RAM types. So we can expect a killer performance from this mobile. When we talk about the other features, like this mobile doesn't come with any 3.5mm jack, but this mobile comes with the stereo speakers, and this mobile also comes with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 features. When we talk about the operating system, this mobile comes with the Android version 12 out of the box with One UI 4.1. Like the Flip 4 mobile, this mobile also doesn't come with any charger and TPU case included in the box of this mobile. Instead, this comes with some documentation and Type-C to Type-C cable. That's all. And this mobile also comes with a pre-applied screen guard on the screen for the front and for the low inside screen also. And when we talk about the colors, this mobile will be available in a lot of colors. I will list the colors in the description box down below with a buying link. If you want to buy the mobile, go and buy with that link. That's also same link from the Amazon. So I'll get a small commission through that link if you buy a mobile from that link also. So, and this mobile also comes with a feature that is IPX8. This mobile have water resistant, but this mobile doesn't have any dust resistance. So that is a thing we have to keep in mind. When we talk about the price, this is the major thing we need to know. This mobile price will start from 1,42,000, 43,000 rupees almost. So it's a huge money. If you have the money, just buy the mobile and tell me if you bought the mobile or not. Subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, and stay tuned to